Hi everyone, you are all welcome to my channel. The name of my channel is Learn Maths with me, clearly written above. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So today we have a question before us. The question says 4 minus 3 multiply 7 minus 6 plus 4. 4 minus 3 times 7 minus 6 plus 4. So we are asked to simplify this question and provide the final answer. This is a very simple but very technical. You are most likely to see this kind of question in JAM, in scholarship examination, and even in quiz competition. You can be asked this kind of question or something related to this kind of question. So I will be solving it. Please watch this video to the end so that you not miss any step. All right, now let's solve the question. If you have been following my video, whenever I want to solve any question, the first thing to do is to say solution. You say solution. After writing solution, it means you are now ready to solve the problem, to provide answer to the question. Right. So after writing solution, you will write the question again. So the question says 4 minus 3 times 7 minus 6 plus 4. So this is the question. All right. Now this question is under Bodmas. So this is what we use to solve this question. B represent bracket, F means off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and X stands for subtraction. So if you can see, we have subtraction here, we have subtraction here, we have addition here, and we have multiplication here. So almost everything, all the signs here are all here. So we'll be applying the principles of Bodmas where necessary. All right, so what are we going to do first? Now if you look at this question, now we can divide this question into three parts. Sorry. Now this is the first part. This is the first part of the question. That is 4. This is the second part of the question, and this is the third part of the question. Now look at it. Let me bring it down. This is the first part of the question, which is 4. The second part of the question, 3 minus 3 multiply 7, and this is the third part of the question, minus 6 plus 4. So this is the first part, second part, and third part. So what are we going to do first? Now, since the second part carries multiplication, so let's first of all simplify the second part of the equation. Right? So the second part of the equation says minus 3 multiply 7. So if minus 3 multiply 7, it will give us minus 21. I see. So say substitute. You now substitute into this main question. So if minus 21 takes the place of minus 3 multiply 7, then we have 4 this. I see. So this is the first part of the equation. The second part of the equation is now minus 21, while the third part is minus 6 plus 4. So you can now write it. Now write it very well to become 4 minus 21 minus 6 minus plus 4. So this is where we are. So the next thing we are going to do is the final. I want to do the final simplification now, so that we can get our final answer. So we have to simplify it from the left side to the right side. this is our right, this is our left, so we have to do it from the left down to the right, and we are going to do it one after the other. Is that clear? All right, now let's continue. So this is the first part. I see 4 minus 21. 4 minus 21. I see. So if 4 minus 21, we have minus 17. I see. We have minus 17. So if 4 minus 21, we have what? Minus 17. So here becomes minus 17 minus 6 minus plus 4. I see. All right, so now let's take minus 17 and minus 6. I see. So minus 17 minus 6, this minus 17 minus 6, this will give us minus 23. I see. So minus 23 will now take the place of minus 17 minus 6. So minus 17 minus 6 will become minus 23. So here now becomes minus 23 plus 4. So this is the final part, which is minus 23 plus 4. Will now give you minus 19. So the final answer is minus 19. So this is our final answer. I see. Now let me give you a rundown of the explanation. Rundown of the explanation once again. Now the question says 4 minus 3 multiply 7 minus 6 plus 4. So whenever you want to solve a problem of this kind, first of all say what solution, then after saying solution you write the equation again. So now if you look at this, I divided the equation into 3 parts. This is the first part, the second part, and this is the third part. And the second part carries a multiplication sign. I see. So we are going to use the principle of Bodmas. B represent bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So if that be the case, minus 3 multiply 7 will give us 21. Will give us minus 21. So we replace this second part with minus 21. So you now have 4 minus 21 minus 6 plus 4, which is this. So now we are going to simplify from the left side to the right side, right hand side. So 4 minus 21 will give us minus 17 minus 6 and plus 4. Minus 17 minus 6 will give us minus 21 plus 4. While minus 23 plus 4. Then minus 23 plus 4 will now give us minus 19 as our final answer. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.